guys, well, you can see Cora's at it again today in the kitchen. So I don't know what the heck she's making. So um, so what is this called again, Cora?
Cooking pork nilaga. It's like a pork stew.
Pork Nilaga?
Yeah,
Is it with an N or an M?
nilaga.
And like N, like November?
Yes.
Okay, so pork Nilaga. Okay, I thought it was Nilaga, like anyway. Pork Nilaga. Okay, so
Basically, it's like a pork stew
okay.
made with pork. I use the pork
Is that hot?
pork hock.
So like okay, it's like what we call ham hock, but yet it's not it's fresh. Is that correct?
Yeah.
No, black folks call ham hock, but anyway. Okay, got
And
it.
then we gonna use. I use two onions, white onions. I using, and then
Cabbage,
cabbage,
corn,
corn,
potato.
potatoes, potatoes, and banana. They call it plantain.
Oh, okay, plantain.
And bok choy or pet chai in Tagalog. And jalapeno and salt and pepper. And that's it. Well, what I have to do is this pork I already parboiled it to remove all those impurities. So this is parboiled already. So what I have to do is put it back in a pot and cook it probably an hour to get it tenderized. And then after the pork is tender, you have to add all the ingredients. And that's about it.
All right. Well, we'll see. Now, is this you can eat the soup by itself, or you can?
Well, it depends for the person who how they want to eat it. They eat it. We eat in the Philippines. We eat it over the rice, white rice. But most of the American probably because I have potatoes in there, they eat it like a soup.
All right. Well, let's see what happens.
Or I put the first thing I have to do is put this back in pot with boiling water and cook it like 45 minutes to an hour. It depends about the meat how well we have to tenderize the meat.
All right, make it soft and tender. Okay.
Right.
All right. Well, we'll pause the video and then see what happens.
And back for 45 minutes.
45 minutes. All right, guys. We'll be back.
We're gonna put the cabbage and the bok choy last. Let it cook this potatoes, corn, and plantain probably about 10 minutes. Then let it cook for 10 minutes. Coming back. Alright guys, after 10 minutes, the corn and plantain and potatoes soft already. Then it's time to add the jalapeno pepper, uh, cabbage, and bok choy. Okay. Cook it for another 2 minutes. Okay, after 2 minutes, this is how it looks. The vegetable done and the cabbage. Then we have to try it. Okay, need a little bit salt. And more pepper with the crushed pepper. Okay, it's done. Let's serve it. There we go, guys. Let's eat.